In today's video, I'm going to show you how to forward your text message to another phone so that you can read it remotely. I mean, if you send messages from this phone to this one, that time all these messages will come in this one. So this is really amazing features. So first of all, let me show you something first. So there is my 3 phone, you can see. So I will send messages from this phone to this phone, but all these messages will go to this phone. Okay, so let me show you something. If I try to send messages, hi, where are you? If I try to send these messages to this phone, let me show you. You can see it's already available in there, I mean this phone. And wait for a few seconds. You can also see there, you can see all the messages come. Let me open this message and you can see there is the message, hi, how are you? And if I open this message, let me show you. And in the top you can see also this message come in this phone. So this is really amazing features. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So forwarding your text message from your this phone to this phone, you will need to do something in your this middle phone. Okay, so let me do something in my this phone, and after that all my text messages will forward my another phone. So first of all, you will need to go to your Play Store, and after that you need to download one application in your this phone, which is SMS Forwarder. Just search on it and you need to install this application, which is 1 million download. You can see 1 million download SMS Forwarder. You need to install this application. So let me install it. And after installing it, just click here open option. Then click here I accept privacy, then to begin. And then first of all you need to register into this application. Okay, so for that just click here registration and then give here your email, password and confirm password. Then click here I understand and then click here registration. And after that it will send some messages, I mean in your Gmail. Let me show you. You will find out this kinds of email. After registration you will find out this kinds of email. So now click here verify email address and your email will be verified. So I have already registered my account, so that's why I need to log in. Okay, so let me give my email and password in here. So after giving my email and password, let me click here login option. And then it asks to save your password, so you can save it so that later you can find your password. So right now I need to click here not now, and after that you need to click here this plus icon. Either you can watch the 2 minutes video tutorial if you don't understand. So let me click here this plus icon, then click here OK, then click allow, and then you can see enter the email address or phone number that you would like the SMS to be sent. So you can use email address also, and if you use email address, that time all your messages will go to your email address. Let me show you. I already used some email address. You can see in my this email I got all the messages, you can see. So you can either use email address. So right now I will use my phone number. So let me enter some phone number in here. So right now I need to add my this phone number. Okay, so that all messages will go to this phone. So after giving your phone number, you can also forward your bank OTP if you want, but this is really very risky. So if you trust this number, that time you can select forward OTP from bank. So just select on it, and after that there you can see this is some note, so you can read it, and after that click here I got, and then turn on again. That time your all bank OTP will go to this number. Okay, so right now I need to turn these settings off. So after that let me click here advanced settings, this option, then click here your phone support dual SIM card. So let me click this one, So click here allow, and then select your filter name. So let me show you, and let me write my second phone SMS. Okay, and after that, what to forward incoming message, just turn it on, and after that outgoing SMS, turn it on. And you can also forward MMS also. So forward OTP from banks, you can select it, and everything is fine. And in the bottom you can see indicate the SIM card that the filter should be. So select here from both if you have both SIM. Okay, and after that filter schedule, just select on it, then shows here daily, then click here save, and after that click here this option, I mean this arrow sign, and then you can see all the messages already, I mean your setup already complete. So let me click here this arrow sign again, then click here arrow sign again, then again arrow, and skip the step if you don't want to change the text of the forwarded message. So you can select a text, then you can write something here, hi, how are you, then click here close, then click here this tick mark, and after that battery optimization, so just turn it on, and then notification you can also turn it on. Okay, and after that select here this tick sign, and you can see, do you want to send a text message to this filter? So yes, I want to send. So let me show you. If I click here send, let me show you. After 1 minute, check if the message has been transferred. Okay, so wait for a few seconds. So you can see in there it's already come. Okay, so let me click here this option, and let me click here pen icon again, and again select here next option, and you can change to this email. I mean if you don't want message to this phone number, that time just select here, then select here this icon, and select here another phone, then you can select your email address also. Okay, so right now I used phone number, so whenever someone give message to my this phone, all these messages will come in there. Okay, so let me do some tests. Let me show you. If I try to send message from this phone again, if I send message from this phone to this phone, hi, all messages will go there. Let me send it. You can see it's already available in there, hi, and it will also come in here. Just wait, you can see there is hi. If I open it, you can see there is hi. So that's it guys. So by this easiest process, you can forward your text message to another phone and you can read it remotely. So thank you so much for watching, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks, do comment, give like, and do subscribe.